To install Skype on iPad, you will need to go to the App Store. Find it and tap on it. Here, on the search, write Skype. And search. On this app, tap Get. It will ask you your password or your fingerprint. Complete the requirements. After the install is complete, just tap on Open. Now tap Let's go. Now tap Sign in or Create. Now you will be able to log in with your account or create a new one. I will log in with my Skype account. Now choose a theme. Tap Continue. On this part, tap Continue. I do not wish to allow Skype to see my contacts, so I will tap Don't allow. Here again, tap on Continue. Tap on Continue. Now, tap Allow to all dialogues from this step. Now, your Skype is connected on your iPad. If this was useful, please thumbs up, share and subscribe, as this will help me a lot. Thank you, bye bye.